can get burnt by the cold. And that can reduce the amount of flower we have. This variety we have here is the most commonly grown variety in South Africa. They don't seem to grow it anywhere else. It comes from Australia, but it's not popular in Australia. And then so each variety has they have different characteristics. This variety is a very generous tree. It makes tons of flower, and it produces a higher yield but of a lower quality. And then we've got other trees here that make a small amount of flower. They set their nuts differently, and but they make bunches like grapes. Whereas this tree, you'll see, because of the volume of flower it has, the nuts are a little bit more sporadic. So this thing here, we call that a raceme, and this variety called Beaumont tends to set between 1 and 4 nuts per raceme. You also get a high percentage of racemes that don't produce any. So some years you get more flower than other years. The tree seems to know what it can do, how much energy it's got. When the tree blossoms and flowers, each variety's got a different color blossom. Each raceme has about 80 blossoms on it, and only 0.5% of the blossom actually sets fruit. So for us to double our yield, we've only got to go from 0.5% to 1% to do better. The scientists tell us that the best growing location is determined by the diurnal temperature. As a young